If you invested $3 a day every single day for 40 years, over those 40 years at a 10% return, you would have over $500,000. Welcome back to the channel, you guys. Thank you for subscribing and watching and liking and commenting on the other videos. In today's video, I wanted to talk about how small, tiny, simple investments over a long period of time can be life-changing, you guys. So I wanted to start out, if you just invest $1 a day every single day at 10% at a 10% annual return on average over 40 years, you would have almost $200,000. That's crazy. $1 a day for 40 years, and you would have almost $200,000 saved up after investing it. Who can't do $1 a day? You have all these people saying 10, 15, $30 a day, whatever, or like, I don't know, 500 a month or 900 a month or something. Forget about it. $1 a day. $1 a day. That's all you got to do. Next, if you invest $2 a day every single day, you would get $355,000 after 40 years. Not too bad. Now, if you invest $3 a day, this is where I felt like, okay, you're actually starting to get a substantial return and you still aren't having to sacrifice that much. At $3 a day, I really don't feel like that's much of a sacrifice. You know what? That's $90 a month. I think we all can do $90 a month. You just gotta really put forth an effort and a conscious effort to cut out those bad things, bad habits, whatever, and we can invest those $90 a day or $90 a month. 90 bucks a day. Who can do that? Not me. Anyway, $90 a month. So $3 a day gets you over $500,000. $500,000 in 40 years. And guess what? If you do that $3 a day for 45 years, guess how much you end up with? Over $865,000. You're way over 3/4 of the way to becoming a millionaire. By investing $3 a day, you almost have become a millionaire. That's crazy. So if you do that for 50 years, so if you started this when you're 18 and you just invest $3 a day till the day you turn 68, you would have almost $1.5 million. $1.4 million is what you would end up with. $3 a day for 50 years, and you would have over $1.4 million. That's crazy. Anyway, I also wanted to touch on, if you invest $6 a day. So $6 a day is where I feel like, okay, you're kind of getting to a point where not everybody can invest $6 a day. It seems crazy, but I mean, let's be real. Some people just don't want to give up their fast food. Some people don't want to give up their coffee, whatever, energy drinks, whatever it is. Some people just don't want to give it up, right? And that's fine. I think that's fine. So some people can't do $6 a day. $6 a day, what would that be a month? Like 180 more or less, depending on the month. It's like a car payment, a cheap car payment, but a car payment. Anyway, so I think it's reasonable if you put forth an effort, but $3 a day, you can become a millionaire, right? That's what we just learned. $6 a day, you can make some serious dough. So $6 a day for 40 years, you can make over $1 million, just over $1 million in those 40 years. But here's where it gets crazy. $6 a day for 45 years, you have over $1.6 million. And lastly, even the craziest portion, $6 a day for 50 years. So till you're 68, 70, right around there, you could have $2.8 million if you invest $6 a day every day for 50 years at 10% interest averaged over those 10 years, 50 years, sorry. $2.8 million. That's crazy. So, folks, if you learned one thing today, one thing from this short video, it's that you can invest $1, $2, $3, $6 a day, and it'll make a difference. Even the $1 a day will give you $200,000. That's $200,000 that you wouldn't have. So just from a quick Google search, average annual income in America is around $32,000 in 2016. If that was your average income for the average person out there, you're going to have, just by investing $1 a day, you're going to have 7 years of income. Plus, if Social Security is still around then, all it is extra money anyway. And if you have your house paid off by then as well, who cares, right? You have no mortgage, you have Social Security income, whatever retirement plan you have, plus this dollar a day or whatever that you've invested, you're set. Start with $1 a day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Testing. What's up, you guys? What's up? What's up?